In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Calendly account with our full 2025 guide. Starting with the very first step, you'll want to head over to the official Calendly website. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a warm welcome with an introduction to their platform. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these features if you haven't already. It's a good time to note that Calendly can be an incredible tool for scheduling meetings seamlessly without the hassle of back and forth emails. Now move on to the question display that asks, how do you plan on using Calendly? Here, you have options to specify whether you're using it independently or with a team. Click on my own or with my team based on your personal or professional setup. This helps Calendly understand your usage needs and tailor its features accordingly. Next, you'll encounter the prompt asking, how can Calendly help you? Here is where you select the primary feature you're interested in. For most, scheduling meetings is a top priority, so you would choose Schedule Meetings. This selection helps optimize your account with relevant features to assist in your daily scheduling needs. With that selected, click on Next to continue the process. It's a step that gradually brings you closer to experiencing the benefits Calendly has to offer. As you proceed, there will be another prompt for you to choose an industry that fits your requirements closest. For this guide, let's select Finance. However, choose whichever best aligns with your work to get the most relevant integrations and suggestions. After selecting your industry, it's time to click Next again. This will lead you to another crucial step, integrating your calendars. Calendly can connect with several calendar apps, ensuring no overlap in your scheduled events. Here, we recommend opting for a Google Calendar integration due to its widespread use and efficient synchronization capabilities. When you click on the Google Calendar option, you'll be prompted to select the email account that you want to associate with your Calendly account. This selection is crucial, as it will be the primary communication channel for your scheduled meetings and events. Make sure you select the right account to avoid confusion. Finally, after setting up all these parameters, you're ready to dive into the world of efficient scheduling. This setup allows you to easily set a meeting with your team or client, ensuring that negotiations about timing and availability become a breeze rather than a hurdle. Whether you're scheduling a team sync or a client consultation, having Calendly set up correctly can save you time and enhance productivity. With these steps complete, you can enjoy the full benefits of a tailored Calendly account. Remember, an efficient calendar system can dramatically streamline your workflow and help you focus more on tasks rather than scheduling logistics.